Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a nighttime clean with me and cook with me. So let's get started with this video. So the first thing I love to do is, of course, light some candles. I love candles. And I love this little app I got on my iPhone. It's so cute. It's called VHS. So if you've been following me on social media, you know that I've been fighting the flu. So HelloFresh is the perfect thing to get when you don't feel like cooking or you don't want to think about cooking and you just need something fast. So today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I love HelloFresh, you guys. I love the whole concept of having everything pre-made, pre-packaged for you. You don't have to think about it and you just start cooking. And it's fun because you don't have to worry about the stress of like what to make that week or what to make that day. And it's just all ready for you. And I love it. So it comes right to your door and it has some ice packages in there to keep it cool. So if you're at work and it gets delivered, you don't have to worry about it being bad because there is ice in there. So it's going to keep everything cool. They have plans for 2 or plans for 4. We like to get the 4 because we like to have leftovers. Either I'll pack it up for Daryl for lunch or I eat it for lunch as well, or we just eat the leftovers the next night. So it's really awesome. It's so easy if you're really busy and you don't want to think about cooking. It also saves money because everything is pre-measured. I know with me, as you will see later, we have a lot of leftovers that we didn't eat because we made too much. But with this being pre-made and pre-packaged, you don't really waste food. I have a huge problem with that and I know it's so bad. But with HelloFresh, you don't have to worry about that because everything is pre-measured and you don't really have a lot of food waste, which is amazing. So right now with my code, my lovely Texas 60, you can get 6 free meals. I will link them down below so you guys can go check them out. This is how fogged up my brain is. I completely forgot to make the kale. We love kale. I just completely forgot to make it because I've been taking too many drugs for this flu. So while I was cooking, Daryl was putting the dishes away. He knew I wasn't feeling well, so he wanted to help out a little bit. He's so sweet. I could have sworn I had a masher, but I could not find it. Or maybe I don't even have one, but I used this. I think this is for baking. I'm not too sure what it's for. But I had this in my drawer and it ended up working okay. But I definitely need a masher. It ended up looking more like potato salad than mashed potatoes, but it's okay. So now I'm just making the chicken, and this meal was so delicious. The onions, I love the onion jam that HelloFresh has. I've done this before, and it's so delicious with the balsamic vinegar and the sugar and the salt and pepper and everything just tastes so good. So make sure you guys go check out HelloFresh. Click the link down below, and also don't forget to use my lovely Texas 60 for your 6 free meals. So after dinner, it was time to clean. So next, I'm just vacuuming the entryway. I love this rug. I got this rug on Overstock. I will link it down below so you guys can go check it out. It was only like 40 bucks and it's super long, but I will link it down below. And I love my Dyson vacuum. I use it every single day and I am just so in love with it. So next I'm going to tidy up the living room. The living room is actually not that messy right now. Normally it's way more of a mess, but today it wasn't that bad. So I'm just getting the coffee table set and I am just reorganizing the pillows and the throw blankets just to make sure they look nice. You guys already know I go crazy with my Caldria room spray. I spray this all over the place. I am obsessed with it. I will link it down below. They have some more scents that I've been wanting to try that I haven't, but I'm going to link down my favorites down below so you guys can go check them out. This is the Pear Blossom Agave. It's amazing. So next, I'm just going to vacuum with my Dyson the living room. If I'm walking weird or something, it's because I had a really bad tummy ache this night. And I've just been sick still, so I wasn't 100%. That's why you see later on Daryl helps me. He's such a sweetheart. I love my husband. He's so perfect. Yes, that's a sneak peek of Christmas home decor. So this is my kitchen. It is not that bad, but kind of is. I need my kitchen to be clean. For some reason, I can't cook when it's messy. I can't really function when it's messy in there. I just can't stand it. So of course, I'm going to start my little RoboVac, which I love. I'm going to link it down below. It's a lot cheaper than the iRobots, and it works really well. So I definitely recommend it. So as I said earlier, we have a lot of food waste when we cook for ourselves. That's why I love HelloFresh, because they have everything portioned out perfectly. So right now we're just cleaning out the refrigerator, and Daryl is helping me. He is so sweet, and I'm so grateful for him because I was feeling so sick this day. So he's just helping me clean out some of the fridge and some of the old food. I have a thing about moldy food. Like real life, we leave stuff in the fridge that we forget about. And you guys know the food can get really gross if you leave it there for a long time. And I cannot stand moldy food. So Daryl always has to clean it for me. And right now, Daryl is taking out the trash. And that's how we ended our night. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.